Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to on data saver in Instagram Reels. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open your Instagram and open your profile and tap on this three line icon to the top right corner. Tap on settings, tap on account, and here you will find this Cellular data use option, so tap on that. And all you have to need, just enable this data saver and tap on high resolution media, and you can customize your data saver mode from here. You can select Wi-Fi only, also you can select Cellular plus Wi-Fi. So that's how you can turn on data saver for Instagram Reels. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.